Hey, I'm James Evanicky. I am manager over OES Scaffolding. We are a division of DPR Construction. This project is a Waterline project, Waller Tower, also known as Waterline. We're in Austin, Texas. What's special about it is it's going to be the tallest building in Texas. What I really like about it is the installation's really easy. I love the remote and the battery feature, and probably the speed of it. Well, you know, old daisy chain can be dangerous with drops. I like the fact that how the basket can swivel into the scaffold, and that reduces drops, and you don't have to have that extra bay built on the scaffolding as well.
My name is Lesley Tingle. I'm the lead safety manager of the project for Waller Creek DPR. Right now we're currently positioned on level 11, looking at the scaffold build that we got going over here with OES. About this time next year, it will be the tallest structure in Texas. So I'm really impressed with the ability of the component and the feature of mitigating and eliminating handling of material. That's what I like. Those are all exposures. The more times you have to actually put hands on something, there's another opportunity for somebody to possibly get hurt, strain or sprain, you know, those kinds of things. So material handling, material management is always a key component of that. And the less you have to handle something, the less exposure you have for somebody to get injured. So proficient with that, and then not having to double handle stuff and just being able to get it where it needs to go quickly is a big feature I see with the KEWAZO.